Welcome back. We've got the second double unboxing on the Shield Generation RKO YouTube channel. So, I just unboxed, well, as you can see, there's no figure in the box because I unboxed it. Dustin Rhodes from Unmatched Series 1. There you go. And with Unmatched Series 3, what I'm going to do is, I wanted to buy 2 of the Unmatched Series 3 figures and do an unboxing and review of them and then do the rest of the series together. I am going to, one by one, take them out of the thing. With the cards, I'm actually going to do these 2 packs now. And then, basically, I'm going to add them to this one. This video as well, but I am gonna unbox the packs separate and do basically a full video of the packs. I'm gonna have to get the rest of this series ordered, and so basically really cool set of figures on Match Series 3. So first up we got Anna Jay. As you can see, 3 exclusive Upper Deck cards included, which you can see behind the figure. Really cool figure. This is number 21 in Series 3 of Unmatched. I think Dustin Rhodes is like number 5 in Unmatched. Yeah. Basically, there's the little thing. There's the rest of the people in the series. We've also got Mr. Brodie Lee here. So Stu Grayson, Evil Uno, and John Silver are the other 3 in the series. When I get them, they'll be unboxed in the first ever 3 figures in a video. If I get any more New Day figures, I'm probably going to do them in basically like I'm doing that. The Dynamite attire for this is Jacksonville, Florida from Dynamite in 2020. I think that's actually 31st of the 12th, 2020 or 12 or 31, 20 in Jacksonville, Florida. I would say 31st of the 12th actually because I'm from the UK. There's the Watch AEW Dynamite Check Your Local Listings logo. Over here, each sold separately and subject to availability. That's what it says on the side. It's got T. And yeah, really cool figure. Now, in addition to Anna Jay, Mr. Brodie Lee with the TNT title, again, 3 Upper Deck cards. He is number 17 in the series. And there you go. There are the other people in there. So, before the storage system rudely, basically messed up, I was recapping the Brodie Lee figure. From Jacksonville, Florida, Saturday Night Dynamite in the 8th month of 22nd of the 8th, 2020. That's the side of the box. He is number 17 in the series. And yeah, I'm going to get them open and then continue with the unboxing and review of Unmatched Series 3, Anna Jay and Mr. Brodie Lee. I got them out of the packaging. Here's Anna Jay. We'll look at Anna Jay first. 3 interchangeable hands. An interchangeable head. Basically, that's it. Looks like a cool figure, though. And Brodie Lee got the TNT title. And I think that might be a stack of paper and a roll thing and the TNT title. That looks like an awesome figure. I'm going to get them out of the box. Well, not the box. I got them out of the box and get them out of that. You also get 2 of these AEW Unrivaled Collection Unmatched Collection Jazzwares Upper Deck exclusive cards with 3 cards per pack. I will be doing an unboxing on them in this unboxing video and separately as well. So I'm going to get them out of the plastic packaging. And now they're out of the packaging, the plastic packaging. And first up, Anna J. Really cool figure. Hard to get out of the box though. Well, hard to get out of the plastic packaging actually. Nice figure though. For her, you got 3 interchangeable hands. And this interchangeable head. Next up, Brodie Lee. With him, you got the TNT title and some more accessories. I think this is the best AEW Unmatched figure I've had so far. And it's got Dark Order on the back. Really cool figure. Best figure so far. And best figure in this set so far. I really like it. And, well, that's the figures. I'm going to actually take a closer look at the TNT Championship. There you go. The TNT Championship. Red strap. Really nice belt. I might have to put it around his waist again. But I do put my belts in the belt thing. Really cool Brodie figure actually. I might have to get the all Brodie figures. I'm gotta say I'm a big fan of his AEW figures. Oh yeah, you get, I think there's a stack of paper and whatever this is. I think it could be like don't know actually. But yeah, you've got that and you've got the TNT title. And obviously your 3 hands and head with Anna J. And 2 packs of cards with both of them. Well, a pack of cards with both of them, so 2 packs in total. I am going to get the all 3 in the set. And when I do that, you'll probably see unboxing of all 3 figures in one. And, of course, a look at 3 packs of cards. And then a look at all the packs of cards together. Let's go with the cards, the final part of this video, and a separate video as well. Welcome to an AEW Unrivaled, Unmatched collection. Jazzwares Upper Deck 3-pack cards per pack in. We have 2 packs here to open. Now, as you can see, Anna J and Brodie Lee in the ring. Part of this unboxing of these cards is going to be, well, this unboxing of these cards are going to be in a separate video as well as a video with the thingy. So I don't know what's in it. And I know it's some of the cards. I think they're a yellow set. Well, I'm going to dig in. I don't know which card pack is from which figure, but let's just say it kind of doesn't matter. I'm going to get them open and then look at the cards. For the cards, so I've got 6 cards basically. And we're going to have a look. First up, Scorpio Sky. Now on the back it says first edition 2021 Upper Deck AEW. Yellow. Cool. So Scorpio Sky. Oh yes. Hangman Adam Page. Magazine card Colt Cabana's surprise Dark Order team up. An AEW magazine card. Ray Phoenix. Ray Phoenix again, he soars above the competition, the AEW magazine card. And that's Harwood. Really cool cards. I don't know if I was expecting like MJF, Chris Jericho, Britt Baker. But yeah, these are the ones I got. I'm happy with the Hangman and the Dex Harwood. I'm actually happy with all of the cards, but Dex Harwood and Hangman Adam Page, they're definitely my favourite of the 6. Will I get some more? I'm definitely going to try to. And I'm probably going to try and get the actual set. Because Rock and Roll Collectibles have the full set. And I'm probably going to get him. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video of the cards unboxing, and of course there are the figures that came with the cards, and there's the accessories of the Brodie.